Tired of outdated info floating around on your Trustpilot account? Let's get that fixed in under 90 seconds. First, head to the Trustpilot website, trustpilot.com, and click the Login button usually found in the top right corner. Enter the email address and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for an option like My Settings, Account Settings, or simply Settings and click on it. You'll now be on your account settings page. Here, you'll find various options to modify your profile, usually a Profile Details tab where you can update your name, profile picture, and other personal information. Next, check the notification section. Here, you can customize which email notifications you receive from Trustpilot, such as new review alerts. Tweak these so you only get the information you need. Don't forget to review the security settings. This is where you can change your password, enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and manage connected apps. Keeping this up to date is crucial. After making any changes, be sure to click the Save Changes or Update button, usually found at the bottom of the page, to apply your modifications. And that's it. Your Trustpilot account is now updated and personalized. Remember to review these settings periodically.